It's my 12th tutorial on Visual Basic 2010. Summary of tutorials, large project part 2. So as you can see, this is the second project of the summary of tutorials. If you want to read it through, I will not give you some time. I just stop the video and you can read it through, and I will go on and do the coding. Okay, so I have my form 1 already set. So what I wanted to show you, first of all, we need to input those images. So I have 5 of them, so that means I will have 5 countries as well. I'll show you them. So I have 5 countries, and now first of all I will program my combo box. So what I do is I can use variable, but I don't need to, so we'll just use one as string, and we'll say is equal to combo box, that one, that selected item. Okay, so now select case, and that will be, and now case, I will start from United Kingdom and say picture box 1 dot image is equal to my resources dot UK. That's the image I imported. Okay, so case, and now Germany, for example. Germany, and again picture box 1 dot image is equal to my resources dot Germany. I'll just copy it and paste 3 more times and change it to Japan. Let's say this one will be France, and this one will be Egypt. Also need to change those to okay. So I have my combo box set, and when I run this, you will see when I choose one of the countries, the flag is displayed. Now for the show capital and high capital. So whenever I click this one, I want the capital of particular item, I would say country, to be shown in this label. So what I do is just go here and I will say if statement. So I will need if statement. So if radio button 1 dot checked is equal to true, and because I need to state 2 conditions, for this one to be true, to be checked, and this one because I need to know the country which one we choose. So I will say combo box that selected item is equal to, let's say first of all UK, and then I will say label 2, in my case is 2, no 1, text box is equal to I will say just London, because UK is 3 countries together, so it's, you know, it's all the islands connected to one, and says is United Kingdom, so I can't say they have other capital or the capital is London, so I will just say London just to have some kind of capital. So radio button 1 dot checked is equal to true, and again and combo box 1 dot selected item is equal to now German. Then and again label 2 dot text is equal to Berlin and okay, that's the capital. Okay, I will just copy it. 4 and 5. Okay, so I will just change this one to, let's say Japan, and this will be Tokyo, and this one to France, and this will be Paris, and this will be Egypt. And I think you write it like this, the capital of Egypt. And it's also other way, Al-Kahir it's called. If it's wrong, if I write it wrong, then I apologize for it, but as I said, I think that's the way you write it. Okay, so that's my checkbox, radio button done. So whenever I choose one item and select this, the capital will be shown. Now for the hide button, so it will be simply clearing, so list, label to the text is equal to nothing, and that's it. And now for the currency. So currency is similar. I also need if statement and two conditions. So if checkbox one dot checked is equal true, true. Then and also a combo box. Also I need selected item and start with the UK. Then and something wrong. Oh, and if. Sorry about that. I need to equal UK. My mistake here. Okay, so I have my first if statement, so that stays UK. So I will just print the currency. So label 1 this time. The text is equal to pound. Where is it, pound? Okay. So I will just do second one. So else if checkbox 1 dot checked is equal true, and combo box 1 dot selected item is equal to Germany. I'll change this. Then I'll say label 1. Because I don't have euro on my keyboard, I will just write in words. I don't have euro sign on my keyboard, sorry about that. I also don't have a yen sign on my keyboard, so I will just write in words. Japan, and this will be yen, and this one okay, so this one will be France, and this will be as well euro, and this one will be Egypt, and it's Egypt pound, so Egypt pounds, like this. I will say like this. Okay, so when I run this, you will see that when I choose one, for example Egypt, show capital and currency, and you have Egypt pounds. Oh, I forgot to when it's unselected, so I can just say else and label 1, yeah, this one, that text is equal to nothing, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you say Germany and euro. Okay, so that's how the program works, and that's it for this tutorial. Quite large code, I must admit. As I said, try this on your own, maybe add some things. Next tutorial will be about rich text boxes and stuff like this, so it will be all new. Later on, maybe web browsers. I will show you how we do them. That's it for this tutorial. Visit my webpage, visit my YouTube channel. If you like this, subscribe to YouTube channel, and I will see you next tutorial. Bye.